Guys, Chris from Riverside. Quick sneak peek, I'm in Featherstone in Oxclose, and this is a beautiful 2-bedroom property. So lovely green to the front, lovely area, and we've got a garage behind as well. All nice and modern inside, so we'll have a look in. Also got a nice surprise in one of the bedrooms as well. So into hallway. Nice modern kitchen. Through to nice and bright living room. Turn those lights off so they don't flash. So dining, living room. We've got a nice private back garden as well. So patio area, grassed area there as well. And there's the gate with access to where the garage is. So nice and private space. Really good local schools, good transport links as well. So nice big double bedroom. Another double bedroom in here, so we've got used as an office, so we've got large wardrobes. And then we've got modern bathroom, shower over bath, fully tiled walls. So, promised you a surprise when we went upstairs. In master bedroom, little set of stairs. And it takes us to the converted loft. So, loads and loads of space, so you can use it as storage, as we've got here. Could be an office, could be a kid's Xbox room. Adds really good livable space to the property. And we've got a Velux window there as well. So, this one's going on the market shortly. I'm just getting photos and floor plan now. If it is one you're interested in, give us a ring and we can get you more details out.